Hi everyone. Dealing with Nginx 500 error can be truly frustrating. It often shows up as an unknown internal server error. This vague message gives you little to go on. But don't worry. Today, we will tackle this common issue. We will systematically debug and fix these elusive Nginx 500 errors. We'll get your site back online quickly. First, always check your Nginx error logs. This is your absolute first stop. Nginx usually logs errors to /var/log/nginx/error.log. Open this file. Look for the most recent entries. They often tell you exactly what went wrong. Pay attention to file paths, permission-denied messages, or specific application errors. This log is your best friend for diagnosis. Next, examine your application logs. If Nginx is just a reverse proxy, the 500 error might come from your backend. This could be PHP-FPM, Node.js, or a Python app. Check their specific error logs. For PHP, look at PHP-FPM logs. These are often in /var/log/php-fpm/. For Node.js, check your app's stout/stare or its own log files. The Nginx error log might even point you to the correct backend log. A very common cause is incorrect file permissions. Nginx runs as a specific user, typically www.data or Nginx. This user needs read access to your website files. It also needs execute access to directories. Sometimes, it needs write access to specific folders, like cache directories. Use LSL to check existing permissions. Use chmod and chown to correct them. Ensure the Nginx user can access your web root and all necessary files. Don't forget to test your Nginx configuration syntax. A simple typo in nginx.conf or a site config file can cause a 500 error. Nginx has a built-in test. Run sudo nginxt. This command checks your configuration for syntax errors. If it finds an issue, it will show you the file and line number. Fix the error. Then, reload Nginx with sudo systemctl reload Nginx. Also, check your backend service status. Is your application actually running? If Nginx tries to connect to a PHP-FPM service, but PHP-FPM is down, you will get a 500. Check the status of your backend. For PHP-FPM, use sudo systemctl status PHP-FPM. For other services, use similar systemctl status commands. Restart it if it is not active. Consider resource limits and timeouts. Your server might be running out of memory or CPU. Use top to check usage. A sudden spike can crash your backend. Nginx also has default timeouts. If your backend takes too long to respond, Nginx will return a 500. You might need to increase proxy_read_timeout or fastg_read_timeout in your Nginx config. Be careful not to set them too high. Finally, on some Linux systems, security modules like SE-Linux or AppArmor can cause issues. They might block Nginx or your backend from accessing files or ports. Check their logs, like audit.log for SE-Linux. Temporarily disabling them for testing and re-enabling immediately can help diagnose. This is less common but worth considering. That covers the main steps to fix an unknown Nginx 500 error. It's all about being methodical. Start with the logs. Work through permissions, configurations, and backend services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you resolve your server issues quickly. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Your support means a lot. See you in the next one.